Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online. You'll learn how to connect your bank account to the system, which is necessary for automatically importing transactions into QuickBooks, and to import transactions manually in video 2, which is recommended if your bank isn't supported by QuickBooks Online, or you aren't comfortable connecting your bank account. First, you need to set up your checking account in the chart of accounts. This will be used as a corresponding account to record the imported transactions and categorize them appropriately in QuickBooks Online. To set up a new account, go to the Transactions menu in the left-hand side toolbar and select Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and complete the new account setup with your required information. The account type must be bank, and the detail type must be checking. When naming the account, I recommend the bank name and the last 4 digits of the account number. When you have entered all of the information, click the green Save button, and you'll be returned to the prior screen with the new account selected. To allow QuickBooks Online to import your bank transactions automatically, you need to connect your bank to the software. To do this, go to the bank feed. If your bank account is already connected to QuickBooks, there is no need to reconnect the bank account to import transactions. Once the bank account is connected, QuickBooks Online will download your transactions daily automatically. However, if you want a specific transaction to appear or suspect that some transactions are missing, you may need to update the connection. You can do so by clicking Update next to the Link Account button. If you need to add a new bank account, click the Link Account button. QuickBooks will display a list of popular banks. Search for your bank by entering either the bank name or the bank's website URL. Alternatively, you can click on the logo of your bank if it's displayed on the screen. After selecting your bank, click the green Continue button to be taken to your bank's sign-in page. QuickBooks Online will open a new browser window displaying the login page for your bank. This separate window ensures the security of your login credentials. Follow on-screen instructions to authorize QuickBooks Online to access your bank account. This may involve additional steps, such as answering security questions or entering a verification code sent by your bank. A drop-down box will appear listing bank accounts included in your chart of accounts. In step 1, you have set up a checking account in the chart of accounts. Select the account from the drop-down list. If you forgot to add your account to your chart of accounts, you can add it on the fly by selecting Add New at the top of the drop-down menu. After assigning your bank account to an account from your chart of accounts, you must decide how far back QuickBooks should go to pull your transactions. Please note that your bank may have limitations to how far back you can import transactions into QuickBooks Online. The default start date to pull transactions is the beginning of the year, and you should try to pull transactions back to the date you wish to start using QuickBooks Online. If your bank or QuickBooks doesn't allow you to go back that far, you'll have to transfer the older transactions using a QuickBooks Online or CSV file. Click the green Connect button when you are all done. It may take a few minutes for QuickBooks to connect to your bank account, so please be patient. QuickBooks Online will take you to the banking center after connecting your bank account. You can review the downloaded transactions and make sure everything is accurate in the categorized or reviewed tabs. Now that your bank is connected, new transactions will be imported automatically into QuickBooks Online daily. You can visit the banking center anytime by clicking on the bank feed through the Transaction tab on the left-hand side toolbar. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.